YouTube, what is good? Welcome to another video. Now in this video I'm going to tell you how to win being the owner and owning trucks in this trucking industry. This is a real quick short video, man, but before we get started, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Also subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified every time I drop a video. And then lastly, man, drop a comment as well. Now let's get right into it, man. If you want to win in trucking as an owner, whether you're an owner operator or a fleet owner or an owner operator and have, a couple other trucks, it does not matter what it is, you are going to need all 5 of these things. And this is in no particular order, but if you missing any of these 5, then success is going to be a lot harder for you. So the first thing that I'm going to start out with is a team. You will need a team. I don't care if you're just an owner operator, if you got 1 truck, 2 trucks, 5 trucks, 10 trucks, it don't matter. You are going to need a team. And if you don't have a team, you're going to have to be a part of a team, because it's impossible to do this trucking without a team. A part of a trucking team, you got a dispatcher, you got the owner, you got mechanics, you got the the safety and compliance, you got the driver. Like, there is a lot of components that make up a trucking company, and if you don't have a team, you don't know how to build a team, you don't know how to work with a team, you don't know how to organize, construct a team, lead a team, you're not gonna win at all. You're gonna fail. That's like the number one thing. Second thing, you're gonna have to have patience, because if you want to rush and you have no patience, then you're gonna make a lot of mistakes, and then beyond making those mistakes, you're not gonna know how to recover from those mistakes, because when you are rushing and you're not patient, what it's gonna lead to is panic. And panicking in any type of role that you play in trucking will mess you up. If you panic as a driver, you can lose your life or you can kill somebody else. If you panic as a dispatcher, you can put your driver in risk. You can put your company's credibility at risk. If you panic as an owner, you can lose your employees, you can lose your drivers, you can lose your company, anything. So you need patience, and you don't want to rush into situations that can be avoided and situations that you're not really prepared for. Third thing that you're gonna need is kind of 2 things in one, but they both are related. You're gonna need credit and you're gonna need capital. You can't have one without the other. You can't get into trucking with just credit. I mean, you can, but we're talking about security. You want to be secure when you're in this industry. You don't want to just have credit. You don't want to just have capital. You want to have credit and you want to have capital. So you're going to need credit and you're going to need capital. Fourth thing that you are going to need is to reinvest. You're going to have to reinvest your money back into the business. You're going to have to. If you making, because you're going to make a lot of money with trucking. You can make $10,000, $15,000, $20,000, $25,000, $30,000 per month. That's for sure. That's not a lot. That's real. These are real numbers. But if you spending that money as it's coming in, something gonna happen and you're gonna end up going broke, and you're gonna lose everything that you built up. So you are going to have to reinvest back into your business or back into other businesses that's going to generate revenue or income, which leads me to the last thing that I want to talk about. If you want to own trucks, if you want to be an owner in this industry, you are going to need multiple streams of income. You cannot win in this industry just putting all your eggs in this one basket. Like me, for instance, I have 5 to 6 streams of real income. This is not an exaggeration. I literally have 5 to 6 streams of income. And there's times where the trucking income is going to be down, and there's times where the trucking income is going to be up. But when the trucking income is down and you got repairs and you got downtime and you got this and you have that, that's when the other streams of income is going to come in and help you stay afloat. So you don't want to just only be making money from trucks. And I think that's where a lot of people get confused. And don't get me wrong, everything that I'm telling you is possible to do it another way, but I'm just talking from my own experiences and what I've seen with my own eyes. I would not only want to be making money from trucks, because if I was only making money from trucks, I would be living completely differently, and I would not be able to do what I plan to do. And I don't want to just be a truck driver or known for trucking, because I'm way bigger than that. So I want you to know, like, if you want to own trucks, if you want to grow a fleet, that's okay, but you don't want to only rely on that income. And this isn't even for trucking. This stuff can apply to all businesses. You don't want to just put all your eggs in one basket, because if that basket fall, you're going to lose all your eggs. So you want to have multiple streams of income, especially when you own semi-trucks, whether you go get real estate, stocks, or whatever. You just want to have multiple streams of income. So that is how you win in trucking. If you can do all those 5 things, or have all those 5 things in place, and you're gonna be good. And then I just leave you off with this last thing. You gotta have a goal and a vision. I say that's like the pinnacle. That's like the top of the pyramid. The goal and the vision is the top of the pyramid, and then that's gonna lead to everything else. So the pinnacle is the goal and the vision. That's the 6th thing. So I said 5, but we're gonna end this video off with the 6th thing. Have a goal and a vision, man. So if you made it to the end of this video, type in the comments. If you haven't commented already, type in TRF vision. Just type in TRF and then vision, because you got to have a vision. And no matter what you do, whether it's trucking, college, sports, business, whatever it is, you got to have a vision. So that's the end of this video, man. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can get notified every time I drop a video. And then lastly, man, drop a comment. If you made it to the end of this video, comment TRF vision. I'll see you on the next one, man.